Here in my hand is the Full Spectrum Hemp Relief Body Lotion. And I created this product because CBD just has amazing properties that can help to relieve and soothe and hydrate. In the next minute, I'm going to tell you more about this product. For example, the ingredients, the benefits, the milligrams, and how to use it. Now, this body lotion will provide relief for anyone. Just don't use it on kids. You can use this 99% natural and organic product with all of the clean and wonderful ingredients to help treat those areas of aches and pains, or just areas that your skin is just needing some extra TLC. Perfect for your wrists, your fingers, your joints, like your elbows or your knees. You'll find relief when you use this product within minutes. And the CBD comes anywhere from 500 milligrams to 2,000 milligrams, so be sure to look for that.